Do you know that ancient India had world-class university? Founded in the 5th century, Nalanda had over 10,000 students from China to Persia. They studied math, logic, medicine, not just religious texts. Burned down by invaders, it smoldered for months. That's how big its library was. India did not just teach the world, it led it. The British were terrified of one man. No. Before Oxford, before Harvard, there was Nalanda, an ancient university that drew scholars from across Asia, held thousands of students, and stored libraries so vast they burned for months. Today, let's uncover the story of Nalanda, India's forgotten academic powerhouse. Nalanda University was founded in the 5th century CE in the present-day Bihar. For nearly 800 years, it stood as the world's premier center of learning. At its peak, it had over 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. And the subjects? Everything from Buddhist philosophy to logic, medicine, mathematics, astronomy, grammar, and even alchemy. Admissions was not easy. Students had to pass tough entrance interviews. Not everyone made it in. Nalanda was not just for Indians. Students and scholars came from Tibet, China, Korea, Indonesia, and beyond. Famous Chinese monk Xuanzang studied here for years and called it a place of unparalleled learning. He carried back over 600 manuscripts and helped spread Buddhism across Asia. Nalanda's influence shaped education system far beyond India. The Nalanda campus was massive with lecture halls, libraries, meditation centers, dorms and lush gardens. Libraries were called Dharmganj and had millions of manuscripts across 3 huge buildings. Some says the largest one had 9 stories. The curriculum was diverse, from Vedic studies to astronomy, from linguistics to advanced metaphysics. Teachers like Aryabhatta, Nagarjuna and Dharmapala taught here. But Nalanda's light was extinguished in 1193 CE when it was invaded and destroyed by Bhaktiyar Khilji's army. The libraries were burnt. It's said the manuscripts burned for 3 months. Countless scholars were killed. The global center of learning was turned into ruins. And with that, a golden chapter of India's intellectual history was lost for centuries. Nalanda was more than a university. It was a symbol of India's thirst for knowledge, cross-cultural exchange, and academic excellence. In a world where we chase modern degrees, it's worth remembering the foundation of global education was laid right here in ancient India. Inspired by Nalanda's legacy? Hit that like button, drop in the comments, and subscribe for more ancient Indian wonders that the world needs to know.